One of the stages of creating a structural model is to define support conditions in nodes. Keeping the left mouse button pressed in the work area, let's rotate the structure so that all axes of the global coordinate system are visible. With the Control key held down, we mark the support nodes with the area. Go to the Geometry tab. In the Support section, specify the support conditions for the selected nodes. By checking the boxes Rx, Ry, Rz, Fix, Fiy, Fiz in the program working area, the appropriate symbols of displacement and rotation locking will appear in the node. We'll mark each of them in turn. Uncheck the node by pressing the Escape key. Select the second support node with the Control key pressed. Let's lock all displacement and rotations in turn. You can enter an elasticity value for each selected displacement or rotation. Finally, click the right mouse button in the program workspace and we will restore the standard view front view.